In this lecture, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to gain 1 million views per month. Now, it is no question that getting views is not the easiest thing in the world, but I'm going to make it the easiest thing in the world for you guys. You guys are going to understand everything you need to know about having consistent viewership, and I'm going to be telling you guys all the details and all the tricks and secrets that I use to help me get views every single month at a consistent rate. So the average person thinks that what you need to do on YouTube is go over to the biggest channels, see what they're doing with their biggest, most popular videos, and copy every single thing they do. Most people think that all you need to do is go on this trending page, see what is trending, go ahead and find a type of video, copy that video, and post it. And I'm here to tell you guys that's a big no-no, okay? Most of these channels on this trending page have a strong following and are pretty well known in their communities. So they get views from their subscribers, which helps them get pushed in the engine. And they also get a lot of likes and a lot of just engagement with their content because they have such a strong foundation on their channel. So I wouldn't go copying all these people on the trending page because, like I said, if you don't have that same exact following, then it's really not a point for you to go over there and try and copy what they're doing. Now, this is what you should do, okay? There is still a way you can do the mimic trick. Now, what I do is most people think that a lot of people go and look for the biggest videos blowing up and copy that video. Well, that's not necessarily true, okay? So let's just say I wanted to make a prank video, okay? So we're just gonna type in prank on girlfriend, because that's usually what's like a really big thing. So we're going to go ahead and type in prank on girlfriend, right? And we're going to see how relevant all these pranks are. And we're going to see who has the most views. And we're going to kind of see what prank we should do. Now, a lot of people would think that you would go for the one at the top of the list. And that's not true. You don't go for the one with the most views. That's still not true, okay? This is what you do. You find the smallest channel out of all of these channels, okay? Preferably a channel that is smaller than yours. Okay, if you are a prank channel, this is for any channel. This goes for any channel, preferably that is smaller than yours. Okay, so you will find this channel. So this channel has 189,000 subscribers, right? So this is a pretty small channel. It's big, but it's not that big. Okay, you guys can see that they got a really good video here. This video right here that was uploaded a day ago almost has 200,000 views, which means this channel is so small, but they're doing something really good. They're making really good content and they're making trendy content. So what you as a YouTuber should do, instead of chasing the big channels and trying to find the big videos to basically copy, you should be looking at the smaller channel like these channels and basically saying their ideas and making it into your own. If somebody has a small following that is smaller than yours, say we had 200,000 subscribers and they have 189,000 subscribers and they're pulling more views than me, they're doing more views than me in a day. What I would do as a YouTuber is I would see what they're doing and I'm going to go ahead and see their idea, and as a bigger channel, I'll rank in the search engine off of what they did. I'll get more engagement from what they did, especially if I'm a prank channel. I would do this and it would be a really good idea and I would get a lot of views because, like I said, it is a smaller channel. You guys got to look at it like this. If you are a small channel and you try to copy a big video, most likely it's not going to go that way from a big channel. But if you're a small channel and there's channels that are smaller than you that are doing things that are getting really high views and you have a higher subscriber count than them, then it's probably best for you to go ahead and see their ideas and use those ideas. Because if they can pull that many views at such a small subscriber count, that just means that you can do the same exact thing. You guys see where I'm going with this? If a smaller person can pull that many views and you're bigger than them, that just means that you can pull that many views and probably more views just because you are bigger than them. So that is one of the biggest techniques and secrets you guys can use if you wanted to go ahead and basically blow up and you had no ideas and you just didn't know how to get that million views. You will go to a smaller channel who is blowing up, see their ideas and basically mimic their ideas and do it into your own way. All YouTubers do it. It's the biggest thing. You may see people doing it in all kinds of communities, gaming communities, Everybody does this. It is just a simple technique that everybody uses. Now, how can this help you guys get 1,000,000 views per month? Well, if you guys are doing this every single day and you're studying YouTube and you're really looking through the search engine to see what is blowing up and what is trending, then you guys can go ahead and basically get those same amount of views and basically add up all those views. And at the end of the month, when you check how many views you've probably accumulated from doing this technique, you guys will probably have over 1,000,000 views. You guys got to think about it. Some of these small channels can pull up to 1,000,000 views off of one video, and that's usually what happens. So people go ahead and they see those ideas, they mimic it, and they make it into their own. So that is the best technique you guys can use to get 1,000,000 views per month. Make sure you guys go ahead and look at these other channels, study the entire engine, study the entire YouTube platform, because you will find ideas and you will learn new techniques from doing that. And you guys will learn how to make better content, new content, and high viewership content.